What's up, everybody? We are out in a country concert drive-in. Amador Sun's on right now.
The door and turn the lights and low. Throw a t-shirt, the same one you wore when we were sky high in Colorado. This pressed against the bottle. We're on the bottle radio that leave. I remember how bad I need you without taste tequila. Yeah, said without taste tequila. 'Cause I woke up still drunk on your love, on your love. Now I know why I'm feeling so high, 'cause I'm still drunk on your love, on your love.
Aren't they awesome, Louis? Come on now. They're amazing. Fantastic.
Date nights with swing dancing and line dancing.
So we just got done seeing Amador Sons at our 2020 drive-in country concert. They're all right, and watch. So we made some friends next door. They're locals. They're locals. They're scared of my little fuzzy dead cat. Like a dance competition. Come on, do it! You got it! You got it!
All right, I got a group of three left. You.
Talking to you guys. Turn it up tonight. Turn it up tonight. Well, yeah, people always told me, careful what you do. Run around breaking young girls' hearts. Try to turn her into every girl you ever knew. So if you're gonna love her, if you're gonna love her, if you're gonna love her, leave her one. You're gonna make her, if you're gonna make her smile, smile. You're gonna let her, if you're gonna let her dance, let her sing, let her be, whatever she wanna be, leave her wild.
All right, here we are. We're letting it clear out. Rather, I don't know what they're doing back there. Show's over. Interesting little, interesting drive-in concert, our first drive-in concert. The girls are saucy. I don't know what she's doing. So, they got a lot of things they could step up, but you know me, I'm just gonna pick it apart. I think we're going to some bar, dive bar. It's only like 8:30. Yeah, 8:40.
8:40, and it's way
way too early. It was supposed to go till 11. It's very frowned upon. What the fuck?
She's had like 2 Trulies, so she's wasted.
I had like 1.5 Ryan.
How many have you really had?
I'm just kidding. I don't know. I lost count.
Ooh.